and look from angle to angle. We see all these other mountains, but not a single one. Oh, look at the sky over there too. It's like orangey pink. Wow, this is so pretty. Hey there, Lusters. I didn't see you there. It's your boy, Wanderlust Wellman, back again for another video. And today I'm coming to you from the San Isabel National Forest. I'm camping at the base of Mount Elbert, which, in case you did not know, is the tallest mountain, not only in Colorado, but in the whole Rocky Mountain Range, and the second tallest in the 48 continental states of the United States. So if you look over there, that is Mount Elbert. That is the behemoth I will be tackling tomorrow after a terrible night's sleep, because I plan on getting up at 4:30 a.m. bright and early to drive to the trailhead and get a start. So anyways, got this all set up. We're gonna be cozy, we're well situated for the night. Hopefully I don't freeze to death, and hopefully I don't get eaten by bears. So with that being said, I'll see you Lusters tomorrow. Peace. Back again in the wilderness. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and we are at the base of Mount Elbert, the highest mountain in the Rocky Mountain mountain range. So the highest mountain in Colorado, the second highest mountain in the continental United States. And we've been up for about an hour. We're at 10,000 something feet elevation. It's 46 degrees, but we gotta get an early start to the day. So this is our first time hiking at 14,000 feet plus, and it's gonna be a long, fun, challenging journey ahead of us. Let's hit the road. Believe it or not, I could do the balance beam pretty good in gym class. For a guy. How are you feeling, Vanessa?
I'm already back.
Optimistic, excited.
2 miles in.
It's almost 6. Oh shit. A little rocky. But it's almost 6 a.m. and we're making our way up. As you can see, my headlamp is almost becoming pointless at this point. We're finally at the trailhead. We are making our way. Mount Elbert, 14,433 feet above sea level. Are you ready? Let the adventures begin. Just saw a girl peeing in front of 3 dudes in the middle of the trail. Kind of hot. Okay. Kind of gross, but yeah, as you can see, first layer is already off. No gloves, no headlight, no coat. Same with V. So the morning sun is coming over the mountains. I'm cursing these trees right now because they're blocking a gorgeous view of the water. It's so peaceful out here. The views are starting to break. I don't know if you can see it with that glare, but yeah, our campground was right over that little lake.
I'm fine if you want to stop here.
No. Flowers are pretty. The sun is beautiful. We're making it up to the end of the tree line eventually. We're approaching 12,000 feet elevation. Another view update. The big boys are in sight, along with the big girl in front of me. We are actually approaching the end of the tree line, whereas the big boys are getting closer and closer. Alright, Lusters, it's getting windy. We are approaching the brutal incline. I don't know if you can see those little specks in the distance, but it's a straight incline from here. We're a lot more open, the wind is picking up, but the views are astounding, as you would expect. Here is where hell really begins. The incline so far, it's just been the warm-up, I feel like. So you're making our way up the incline, and we have a strategy down pat. We're doing little tiny bursts and taking what we call micro breaks, like for 30 seconds to a minute, just enough to catch your breath, maybe even less than 30 seconds sometimes. So a little short burst intensity to get your breath again, and then go and go and go. I think that's a lot more productive than doing just a long, slow burn. So, hiking tips 101 from the leading pro hikers you've seen on YouTube yet. Alrighty, we have to be getting close to 13,000 feet. The elevation is feeling like 13,000 feet. The incline is still relentless. As you can see, people are still plowing forward, and it gets so windy I think it's time to put another layer. We're very exposed, feel very vulnerable right now. Well, the Rocky Mountains for a reason, everybody. Straight scrambling. I'm not looking forward to going down. But we are about 14,000 feet up, which means we only have about 400 feet left to go. Hey, little guy.
Alright, Lesters, we have made it. We are at the top of Mount Elbert, the highest mountain in Colorado. Just take a little journey with me and look from angle to angle. We see all these other mountains, but not a single one. How crazy is that? So yeah, we're gonna spend a little bit of time up here, eat some food, not freeze our ass off, hopefully, and then we're gonna make our way back down to the mountain, do a little recap, and yeah, so thanks for staying with us until now, and I'll see you at the bottom of the mountain. Okay, Lesters, so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not really at the bottom of the mountain. This is a few days later, actually. I got a bit sidetracked. Mainly, I got beaten down by the hike, and I've needed a few days to recover. I still feel it in my glutes, and it's been, I think, 3 days since I completed the hike. It was a gorgeous hike. I'm so glad that you're able to come along with me for my first time hiking a 14er, and it's the tallest mountain in Colorado. So, like the video if you liked the video. Leave a comment below on your thoughts if you want to give it a try, if you think I'm crazy, or if you think I'm being a little wuss by being this sore 3 days later. And don't forget to hit subscribe to see more content like this coming to you at least once a week. So that's all, guys. Peace.